Do you want to learn how to create these cool smartphone effects with your video? Then come, let me show you how, okay? So let's go. So launch CapCut, then tap on new project to bring in your video. So now tap on overlay to import the video you want to add the smartphone effect on. So now you can resize your overlay to your preferred size. Tap and move it to your preferred position. So now while the overlay is still selected here in the timeline, then tap on animation. Tap on combo. So swipe until you get to smartphone section. So here, choose smartphone 1. So you can now see that the smartphone effect has been added to your video. So don't forget to tap on this checkmark icon to save your settings. So if you like this video, comment down and follow me for more tips, okay?